Hello, and welcome to CBM-POT with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. Today I'm going to prepare cumin spaghetti, or if you like, Jeera spaghetti. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. Mautamu reloaded. So let's get into cooking and prepare our dish for today. A very sumptuous, delicious meal. Mautamu reloaded. I'm going to julienne my red onions first. And you have to be very cautious while you are using your knife because it's very dangerous. I'm going to chop my coriander, or in Swahili, dania. Mautamu reloaded. So I'm going to chop them very well, but be very cautious not to leave all the flavor on the chopping board. And my favorite spice, whole cumin seed. I'll be using the best quality spaghetti available, the blue label. Manene iko wet mbaya sana. In my water, I will add my chili cubes, and they are very salty, so I will be very cautious while using them, and I will not add any salt. After my water has boiled, I will put my spaghetti in and boil until al dente. Manene iko wet mbaya sana. In a hot pan, I will add my corn oil, or you can use any type of oil that you love. Onions. My Jeera spaghetti. Going to salt just a little bit the onions to get the aroma out. Very salty cubes, and I added also salt. So I'm going to add my cumin seeds, or Jeera. Going to add my cumin seeds. Some butter. Going to add some butter and stir. Oh my days, the aroma here is so beautiful, man. I'm going to add my spaghetti. I blanched them earlier. You have to cook them on low heat. So I'm going to use a fork to stir them. Oh my days, this one is so delicious. My Jeera spaghetti is going on very well. It's so delicious, man. Dania, and then I stir. And my Jeera spaghetti is ready. The aroma here is to die for. And my Jeera or cumin spaghetti is ready. Just look at that. Oh my days, that looks absolutely exquisite. So sexy, mautamu reloaded. And you can do justice this spaghetti and take with any type of stew that you enjoy. Chicken, beef, you be the judge. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, and enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching CBM-POT with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana, mautamu reloaded. Thanks so much for watching. Muchas gracias, merci, asanteni sana. Ciao, adios.